Okay, y'all, I lied. I said there weren't gonna be any more bead hauls, but guess what we're back with today? A bead haul. So I went into Michael's today, and I know I recently had a rant about Michael's, but I just spent $86 today in Michael's. It was my intention to spend $86. I kind of went in there hoping it would be maybe like $50 or $60 is what I was hoping it was gonna happen, but every single time without fail, Michael's ends up being more than what I bargained for, okay? Now, I know in a previous video I said I wasn't gonna go back to Michael's, but the only reason that I did is that a user, Vicky, I'll put her name up on the screen, but thank you so much for Vicky for letting me know that Michael's was having a sale. Y'all, I went over there so fast when she told me that. I found out this morning. I got there about an hour or so after Michael's opened this morning, just so I don't have to worry about fighting, other people. I want to get there as early as possible. Unfortunately, it seemed like I was a little bit late to the party. There were a lot of empty sections on the racks. Not a lot, but there were a significant amount of empty sections on the racks. And I saw that some beads were on clearance. So that told me that those must have been clearance beads, and whoever beat me to it had already cleared those out. Because I saw on the website, after Vicky told me about the sale today, I went on Michael's website and I saw it said 50% off online, or in store you get buy 3, get 3 free. They didn't say anything about clearance, but I think Vicky said they were on clearance. I went there hoping they would be on clearance, but instead they had they had the sale 50% off online. In the store was buy 3, get 3 free. But then in the store I did also see some pink clearance tags. And like I said, unfortunately, there wasn't very much left on clearance. Like I think other people had beat me to it, because I did see the sale went from the sale had been going on for a few days already, and I think it ends tomorrow on the 18th. So I literally got there the day before the last day, and people who were in the know earlier than me already had their fun and got most of the stuff. So unfortunately, there wasn't really many clearance things, but I did get a couple of clearance things. Let's see. So this is everything that I got. It's quite a decent haul, you guys. Quite a decent haul. Like I said, I didn't really want to spend $86 per se, but I guess for what I got from Michael's, it was a pretty good deal. So let me show you guys what I got. Let me start with the clearance items first. Let's see. I got these. There's one more. Where's the other one? I think I got 3 of these. These will go perfectly with my my dark brown and gray beads I have. Let's see. Is that all the clearance beads? Yes, everything else was part of the sale. So these are the beads that I got. They were $2 per strand. These two, I thought these were so pretty. I absolutely love the color in here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Just the marbling. And I got 3 of these. So that was like $6 for 3 strands, but it's not bad. Not bad, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I also got these. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with these, but it was $3. And I just kind of like, they're kind of cool. I really like how they feel, these little cylindrical shapes. It feels so nice in the hand, and I'm sure I will find something to use them with. These were $3. They were so nice. So I got these. And you better bet when I was ringing these up, I was watching very closely to make sure everything was on clearance. I was watching. Okay. All right. So I got these in sets of 3 because, the thing said buy 3, get 3 free. And obviously, you know how all those sales are when it's the 3 that you get free are always the ones that are lower in value, of course. So I actually had started out with a plan when I was shopping. I was going to try to get I don't know what I was going to do, but I was going to try to do it strategically to save the most money. Like all the expensive ones, I was going to try to, get those. And that doesn't go with this set. That's not what I got this for, but I'm still going to leave it out. I tried to be strategic, but in the end, y'all, ended up just it was kind of the wild, wild west. I just kind of just got what I liked and said, screw it, we'll just see what happens at the register. And that's probably why I came out there spending more than I wanted to, because I didn't really, I wasn't strategic enough about it. But I'll show you guys more what I was trying to do in a second, because beads like these that were very expensive, what are these glass beads, these are the most expensive ones, and I keep wanting these I kept wanting these so bad from Michael's, but at full price, each of these were like $15.99, y'all. $15.99 for these, and it's absolutely insane. But with this sale, this is my chance to get these, or at least save some money, in the meantime. So I went ahead and snagged these. These are gonna be some very expensive bracelets, y'all. Because I also had to get accent beads to go with them. So, like I said, more on that later. I believe I got this to go. I know I got this to go with this one. Then I was gonna add some white beads to go with it, just to kind of make it stretch. So I should get a couple bracelets out of these, but these will definitely be a little bit more pricey just because the cost of materials were so expensive. I've got to get my store up and going, y'all. I keep making bracelets but not selling them. I've got to get my store ready. I will have to commit to a weekend, maybe next week, and I'm gonna bite the bullet and just spend the weekend getting my store up so you guys can start buying some of these, because I'm about to be poor, y'all. I'm about to be poor. So I'll get back to these. You know, I might as well show you this first because I've already done spoiled it. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. So I spent a really long time in the aisles, kind of holding up beads to each other, trying to find ones that went together. I really enjoy doing that. I was in Michael's for like at least an hour, hour and a half, y'all. Just holding beads up to each other, trying to find combinations that I liked. I just really enjoy picking out combinations. It's the same thing I did when I bought the beads for this in Hobby Lobby. I was in Hobby Lobby a long time trying to find beads that would go together. So when I got home, I had a nice little, you know, a nice bead mix that would look nice together. So did that same thing today when I went in. I thought these would look nice together. So this is this set, very cute. And then I also got these two to go together. These are so pretty. Oh my God, y'all, I love these. I saw these last time in my last Michael's bead haul. These were in the video. I am so obsessed with these. They are so pretty. Like, look at that sheen. Oh my God. They're so beautiful. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. So gorgeous, that sheen. And I'm like, okay, I really like these, but what am I gonna use them with? You know, you kind of have to have a plan, otherwise you're just wasting money. So I kind of got these. I got these rainbow iridescent seed beads. I know I have some, you know, rainbow-ish seed beads, but they're not quite as iridescent as these, and so that's why I went ahead and got these. I think these will be really pretty together, some little nice dainty bracelets. And I also have some beads that are kind of like this, that are also iridescent, but they're smaller. That'll also go nicely with it, so I'm gonna use that in this mix as well. Or I could even use some of these, y'all. I mean, even these three together will look nice too. Even though these are supposed to go with the flowers, I could just steal these and still use them, so there's so many possibilities. Oh, so pretty. Absolutely love it. So that's what I got for that. Showed you that one, and then here is the other one I got. These are so, love these so much. They're so pretty. I wish they weren't so expensive. I would have got several strands of these, but I got these to go with it. These pretty amethyst beads. Thought that would accent it very nicely. I got those to go with it, and then also got these. So I think those would be a really, really nice mix together. These three. Obviously, I have to come up with a design on my bead board, but I thought these are just so gorgeous together. Oh my God, that's gonna be so pretty. It took me forever to find the mix for this. I kept going back and forth, putting different ones back, because there were a lot of different beads there were a lot of different combinations that were gonna look nice with this, but obviously I had to eventually settle on one. And this is kind of what I settled on. I think this is gonna be so pretty. Oh my God, these are gonna be so pretty. But when you do see these bracelets in the store, at least the ones made with the Michael's beads, please don't get mad at me about the price. They're gonna be at least, I don't know, at least $12 or $15, y'all, because the beads cost so much. I think just what I'm holding in my hand right now, I think these were 15. This was 15 for this strand, or 16 rather. This was either, I can't remember, this was either 12 or 9 or something, and this was also 9. So this is, you know, how much money I'm holding in my hand right now, okay, y'all? So it's a very, very expensive bracelet, but I really love these nice beads so much. They're just so gorgeous. Oh, I wish I was rich, y'all. I would clear out that store. So many nice beads I want, but I just cannot. All right, that's those. Should I keep my little stash in the frame so we can see what I looked at? Yeah, there we go. We'll keep the little hoard in frame. All right, and then I also got these. I thought these were so pretty. I know they're probably not the most exciting to other people, but I just thought they were so gorgeous. Though I love these. I love ceramic beads. Just the glaze on them is so gorgeous. The blue and the brown, I thought that was so gorgeous. I had a hard time picking out another pair of beads to go with this too, because there were so many possibilities. I could do blue beads, I could do brown beads, light brown beads. It was so hard to pick out one, but I eventually settled on these to go with it. This is so pretty. It's these kind of shiny brown. I think it's a stone. What is this? What does this say this is? Semi-precious, I guess semi-precious stone. These also were not cheap, but I want what I wanted, and I was hoping the sale would help me out, and it did, y'all. The sale did help out a lot. You imagine how much this would have been without the sale. But I got these two to go together. I think that'll make really beautiful bracelets. And if I have any other beads that'll kind of accent with it, I will use it, but I think just these two alone will make a really beautiful, kind of earthy, naturey, you know, kind of bracelet. Got those two, and then last but not least, I gotta start with these, y'all. These were so freaking gorgeous. Look how beautiful these are. This reminded me of the ocean. It reminded me of like sea turtles and just everything. Oh my God, they're just so pretty. When I saw these, I just had to get them. I was unsure about the shape though, because I had some beads like this before. Oh, you know what? I can show it to you right now. Hold on. What did I do with it? Oh yeah, here we go. There are actually some beads I'm doing in my bead giveaway, because I've used these before and I found them kind of hard to use. It could just be that It could just be that I just didn't use them properly. I just think you have to use these with certain type of beads or have a certain design for them to look good. But I really struggled with making these look nice with whatever combination I use them with, because I feel like you have to have other chunky beads. So when I looked at these, I was absolutely in love with the color, but I was a little bit hesitant because I'm like, oh God, what am I gonna do with these? That's that shape again that I struggled with before. But just, oh my God, that's how pretty it is though. Like I just cannot get over how gorgeous these are. Just the marbling, it reminds me of sea turtles and sea foam and the sea, and just, oh, they're just so pretty. And I just had to have it. I'm like, I'm just gonna buy them and figure it out later because it's so pretty. I wish my camera would quit unfocusing on it though. Oh, how pretty are those? Oh, I can't stand it. So to go with those, I got these. Some also chunky beads, and I'm hoping that these together will work out okay. I figure like the ball is really big, it'll fit in this little gap that, you see how this hole, when you have these big chunky cylinder beads like this, if you put a small bead next to it, obviously it's not gonna fit, it's gonna fall in that hole. So you have to have something else chunky to go with it, and I'm praying that these chunky round beads will accent this. I think that'll be really pretty together. I'm really hoping they turn out as beautiful as I envisioned it in my head. But I thought these were so pretty. Like, oh my God, I'm absolutely obsessed. I cannot wait. I'm definitely gonna keep one of these to myself when I make it, because I just cannot. I love teal, and it's like, this is everything that I love right here in my hand right now. Pretty soft teal colors, natural stone, marbling, just beautiful, feels good, cool to the touch. Just everything is just, it's a vibe, y'all. It's a vibe. So that is everything I got. Bag is empty. So this is my little very expensive bead haul. This is $86 worth of beads right here, apparently, according to Michael's, even with the sale. I don't know. I feel like it's easier to shop with the 50% off because it's more straightforward. You can it's kind of like a stopgap, because with the buy 3 get 3 free, like what if I wanted 5? Then I'm pressured to get more in order to get the sale, if that makes sense. So I would have preferred the 50% off, but sitting at home shopping on the computer is no fun, you guys. I want to go in person, be able to touch and feel them, you know. And plus, you know, I was able to take you guys along with me. If I'm just at home shopping, that's kind of boring. You guys don't want to see me clicking on the computer, do you? So it's just a lot more fun to do it in person. I just wish the sale, I feel like it would have been easier to not spend as much if the whole, you know, if they had the 50% off in the store. And that way I wouldn't have had to, you know, be extra strategic, and, you know, I don't know. It's just a little bit harder, I think, to budget and do what you need to do when they have that little tricky sales like that. But it is what it is. I was able to go back and get some beads I really wanted. I'm very happy. Spent a little more than I wanted to, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm very happy. But I'm gonna have to once again try to enact this bead ban on myself, because y'all, I can't do this. I need money. I have bills. Please save me. I'm addicted to beads. Save me, please. But all right, that's the video. I will see you guys later. I've got to start posting some bracelet making videos instead of bead haul videos, because my wallet will not survive. Bye.